Hello friends, today we are comparing Dell Alienware AW3423 DWF versus Dell Alienware AW3225QF. First we discuss specifications. Dell Alienware AW3423 DWF screen size 34 inches, resolution 3440 1440, aspect ratio 21:9, refresh rate up to 165 Hz, response time 0.1 ms, brightness 250 nits, typical up to 1000 nits, peak HDR, contrast ratio 1m ratio 1, G-SYNC compatibility yes, connectivity HDMI, DisplayPort, USB hub, design curved, stand adjustment height, tilt, swivel, additional features Alien Effects Lightning built-in KVM switch, Dell Alienware AW3225QF, panel type IPS, screen size 32 inches, resolution 3840 2160 4K UHD, aspect ratio 16:9, refresh rate up to 240 Hz, response time 0.03 ms, brightness up to 1000 nits, contrast ratio 1m ratio 1, G-SYNC compatibility yes, connectivity HDMI, DisplayPort, USB hub, design flat, stand adjustment, high tilt, swivel, pivot, additional features, Alien FX Lightning. Size Dell Alienware AW3423DWF, size 34 inches, resolution 3440 1440, aspect ratio 21:9. Dell Alienware AW3225QF, size 32 inches, resolution 3840 2160, aspect ratio 16:9. Display Dell Alienware AW3423DWF, panel type OLED, refresh rate up to 165 Hz, response time 0.1 ms, color gamut 99%, DCI P3. Dell Alienware AW3225QF, panel type fast IPS, refresh rate 240 Hz, response time 0.03 ms, color gamut 99%, DCI P3. Features Dell Alienware AW3423 DWF, G-SYNC compatibility, yes for smoother gaming performance with NVIDIA GPUs, HDR VESA display HDR 400 True Black, brightness typical brightness of around 250 nits, adjustability high tilt and swivel adjustment. Dell Alienware AW3225QF, Jason's compatibility, yes for smoother gaming performance, HDR VESA display HDR 1000, brightness typically brightness of around 250 nits, adjustability high tilt and swivel adjustment performance. Dell Alienware AW3423DWF, ideal for immersive gaming and productivity with its ultra-wide format, the ratio 21:9 aspect ratio is excellent for multitasking and a more cinematic gaming experience. The OLED panel provides exceptional contrast and color reproduction. Consideration the UWQHD resolution might not be as sharp as 4K for detailed tasks for high resolution content. Dell Alienware AW3225QF, ideal for high refresh rate gaming with a focus on responsiveness and sharp 4K resolution. The 16:9 aspect ratio is more traditional and versatile for various applications. Consideration the standard wide screen format may not offer the same level of multitasking real estate as the ultra wide monitor. Which is better? For immersion and color quality, the Dell Alienware AW3423 DWF with its QD OLED panel and ultra-wide aspect ratio is superior for immersive gaming and multimedia consumption. Its OLED technology provides excellent contrast and color accuracy. For sharpness and speed, the Dell Alienware AW3225QF excels with its 4K resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate, offering the sharpest image and highest refresh rate for competitive gaming.